here.
Shelter Island, known in Cantonese as Ngau Mei Chau, is an island located in the water body port shelter in the Sai Kung District, the new territories Hongkong, S.A.R, China. Shelter Island is a small island in the way of Sai Kung that requires swimming or kayaking nice rock formation with varied terrain including high cliffs and flat coral areas. So me and Sarang is decided to do the coasteering too after this kayaking, and the swimming start most probably finish the route longish island with tons of explore high cliffs to climb off on trying to avoid longer and more frequent swimming. So, hope you got enjoy.
Do you want to know? Well, I feel different about you. And I think I have to listen. Because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. It's you and me on this beautiful day, and it's smiling, holding on to you tight. I guess our hearts can align, and it feels so bright. It's like a love has gotten to me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. I can see it now, it's deep in your eyes. No way to define what we feel inside. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. Don't worry of tomorrow, for now you're everything in my day. I love the way you like a song, you know my heart. Cause you know me, know my heart. You're everything in my day. I love the way you know my heart, yeah, alright. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. I can let you know that you're my boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. I will love you every day, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again.
Whenever we did our coasteering or exploring the island, normally we really have to go and find some interesting rock formation or this kind of sea caves. So as we can see right now, this structure is really amazing. The name Shelter Island also appeared in a book of sailing direction of the published in 1863, an Asiatic pilot by the U.S. Hydropac Office in 1910. The island was described as 416 feet, 127 meter high at that time. Shoal water extended northwards for 400 yards, 307 meter, and 300 yards for 207 meter westwards from the island at the time. Nowadays, it was one of the tourist attractions of the Sai Kung District. In specific, the island was known for its sea cave, known in Chinese as the surrounding water of the island, is a popular diving site, such as the shallow waters in the Bay Taiwan 1, as well as West Ngau Tau Pai, etc. Commercial divers also catch sea urchin near the island for their own restaurant.
Do you want to know? Well, I feel different about you. And I think I have to listen. Because
Checking carefully before trusting too much any of given rock somewhere
my
detachable.
beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give,
And I would like to thank all of you who watches this video, and I would like to thank my friend Sarang Heyo for being with me in this coasteering and exploring this shelter island. And I also would like to thank all the members of this channel. I hope you guys will continue to support and continue to connect to each other. Thank you for watching.
Yeah, alright. You wanna show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. I can let you know that you're my boy. You wanna show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. I will love you every day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. You wanna show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. You wanna show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy.
One, two, three. Thanks for watching.